Our Blue and Black Friday sale has begun, and it's like Black Friday but better because it includes our signature blue. We bundled up and marked down all of our most popular tools, including the ProTech Toolkit, our Marlin Screwdriver sets, and even our Essential Electronics Kit. So if you've got a techie, a tool nerd, or a DIYer on your shopping list, we probably have a toolkit that they don't have, and we definitely have one that they'll love. But don't forget about yourself, we're giving away 10 of these signature bundles. Here's what you gotta do to try to win one. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and share a post telling us what you need to fix. Don't forget to tag us at iFixit and use the hashtag #BlueandBlack. Enter as many times as you want. We're going to be picking 10 of our favorites and announcing all the winners on November 30th. And don't feel bad if you didn't win. You can still get a crazy deal on all of our Blue and Black toolkits by following the link in the description below. Happy fixing!